Now, in today's video, we're going to take a look at one of the thinnest cases that you'll find on the market for the Samsung Galaxy Fold and Flip 7. These are from Thinborne. So take a look at how they fit, how they protect, do they MagSafe also connect and charge, and why you may want to consider these as your next case for your Flip or your Fold if it's on the way. Let's get right to it. Now, the Thinborne cases are super thin. They are so thin that, thin is in when it comes to the phone cases, or at least the phones that we have right now. And what you'll see here is that here you have your case, and it does have this little, I would say, adhesive strip that helps secure the phone case to your phone, right? So that's something that you'll want to consider, but you can see how it has the MagSafe piece. And if I were to take this charger right here and put it right here, you'll notice that it connects immediately, right? So this is definitely something that we'll look forward to with the phone. Now, most companies I've noticed are not including a front-facing frame. I'm kind of the mindset that I do like having one, so I like that it's here. And because it's so thin, you'll notice that it also have those little adhesive strips on the side. They also give you a screen protector, which is really nice for the front screen, which I also appreciate. And then you'll notice here that they have some additional adhesive strips in the event that you need to apply it again, or remove it for whatever reason that need to apply it. So that's what you get with the Fold. Now, if we were to look at what's going on with the Flip, you have something that's really similar, right? You have a super duper protective case. Again, MagSafe compatible. So if you put this here, it connects, which I really like. And then you have a nice frame also with the same adhesive strips all the way around. And yes, they do have a screen protector as well. You do get with both of these some additional strips, which is a really nice, thoughtful thing. So let's see what they look like on. Now, putting this on the Fold or the Flip in this case is pretty straightforward, right? I'm not going to remove all the stickers yet because I have a lot of cases that I'm going to be reviewing. And you'll notice as soon as you put it in, it really doesn't add much at all, but it does give you some nice protection, right? And as well as that MagSafe capability. Here, I'm going to snap this on here, and that's all there is to it. Check it out. We're going to go ahead and open this up. And we'll do this, and you'll see that, again, you have great protection here for your phone, except you have exposure here for your buttons, and those buttons are easily accessible. You'll notice how it opens, and it doesn't prevent the phone from opening at all. And again, at the very bottom, you see you have all your ports accessible. And if we were to close this, you'll notice that it doesn't impede anything when it comes to it. And more importantly, it keeps the phone super slim. If I were to take this wireless charger that we have here and put it right here, we're going to see if it charges. And it does charge as well. So I got that notification. It did make the little sound. And if we were to look over here, since I'm still setting it up, it's you can see the charging symbol up there. But charging is working, which is really, really good. And we'll go ahead and leave this on the side. Now, on the Fold side, we'll do the same thing. You'll notice this really snaps in easily, just like this. And again, you would remove that strip, and you'll notice how much it's protecting your lens, because your lens does come out. And in both cases, there is extra material here that is coming out, so that if you do place your phone like this, right, you don't have to worry about your lens getting, again, dirty or, just scratched because of the surface. So I like that. And then once again, guys, look how thin that is, right? So it's really supporting that thinness. You're not giving anything away by having this protector on. And then once we put this guy on, again, super duper thin, we're going to go ahead and put it in place, but it's going to protect the edges of your phone. You just snap it in place just like this, remove those little, plastic notches, and it's there. So it's going to give you a thin frame around. So if you do put your phone like this, you don't have to worry about the screen getting scratched, right? Look how thin this is. So your phone is still super thin, but your phone is now protected, bumper protection or corner protection, which is really important. And then you have, again, a great experience when it comes to MagSafe charging. So we'll go ahead and put this right here. And it is charging as well. You'll notice the charge light turned on. I felt the vibration take place. So that works as well. So guys, those are the cases from Thinborne. Must-have cases, super slim, super thin, and they're going to keep your phone protected. See you in the next video.